Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my student. How are you today? I hope all of you are in good health and ready to learn well this morning. Okay, are you all ready to start the lesson, guys? Okay, please tidy up your desk and prepare your writing tools for today's learning activities. Before we begin our lesson, let us pray together so that today's learning goes smoothly and we are given eases in understanding the material. Please pray according to your own religion and belief. So, begin praying now. Okay, that's enough, guys. Is there anyone who is absent today? Alright, I will now take the attendance. Present 1, present 2, present 3, present 4. Okay, everyone leaving to the right? Very good, guys. I hope that you will always be given good health so that you can participate in your study well and carefully. Before we begin the lesson, let's sing the national song from Dari Sabang sampai Merauke together to foster a sense of nationalism within ourselves. Everyone please stand up. Dari Sabang sampai Merauke berjajar pulau-pulau, sambung menyambung menjadi satu, itulah Indonesia. Indonesia tanah airku, aku berjanji padamu, menjunjung tanah airku Indonesia. Okay, enough guys, you may now be seated again. Okay, last week we learned about the rules of each component in an ecosystem. Today we are going to learn about mutualism symbiosis. Our learning objective for today is you are expected to identify mutualism symbiosis that occurs in daily life correctly. Are you guys game? Okay, sounds so good guys, thank you. Before we begin the discussion about mutualism symbiosis, let's sing a song about mutualism symbiosis titled Working Together All Day Long. It's using the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. Are you guys? Are you ready to sing a song? Okay, let's sing it together. The bee and the flower work all day. Buzz, hurry, the bee get nectar, the flower grows strong, the whole they get along. Mutualism is the way, helping each other every day. Mutualism is the way, helping each other every day. The buffalo work with many birds, pick, the bird it works, the buffalo stay clean, they make a perfect team. Mutualism side by side, helping each other with great pride. Mutualism side by side, helping each other with great pride. The clownfish hide in the anemone, safe and free. The anemone is water too, they share the home like new. Mutualism is so cool, nature creature have a rule. Mutualism is so cool, nature creature have a rule. Okay guys, it's so good guys, thank you. Take applause to your. Before entering the material, I want you to listen to the storytelling that I will tell you. You can pay attention to me carefully, okay? One day, Aisha was walking in a flower garden. She was amazed to see various flowers blooming with beautiful colors. When she observed more closely, she saw many butterflies flying around the flowers. Aisha was curious. Why do butterflies always land on flower? Are they just flying or are they doing something else? Have you ever noticed the relationship between butterfly and the flower around us? Why are butterflies often in flower gardens? What is the relationship between this animal and the flowers they land on? Let's find out together. Before entering into a discussion about mutualism symbiosis, I would like to ask what is the meaning of symbiosis? Okay, alright. Symbiosis is a reciprocal relationship between two different types of living things. This relationship can be mutually beneficial, detrimental, or one benefit and the other is not harmful. Are you guys understanding the, the meaning of symbiosis? Okay. What we will discuss today is mutualism symbiosis. Do you know what a mutualism symbiosis is? Yeah, right. Mutualism symbiosis is a form of relationship in which both parties benefit and gain benefit so that the relationship is positive for both. I hear many kind of living creature that experience mutualism symbiosis, including number one is flower and bees. The role of the flower is flower provide nectar as a food source for bees. This nectar is taken by the bees and turned into honey in their hives. The rule of the bees: when bees suck nectar, their bodies touch the flower pollen. When the bee moves to another flower, this pollen is carried along and helps the pollination process. This pollination is so important for flower to reproduce and produce fruit and seeds. Okay. Number two is flower and butterfly. Rule of the flower. Flowers provide nectar as a food source for butterfly. Nectar contains sugar that give butterfly energy to survive and fly in its of other food. And the rule of butterfly is when butterflies suck nectar, their body touches the flower pollen. When butterfly move to other flower, this pollen is carried along and helps in pollination process. This pollination is so important for flower to reproduce and produce the fruit and seeds. Number three is buffalo and starling. The rule of the buffalo provide purses and a food source in the form of pigs for starling. And the role of the starling is eating ticks and parasite on the buffalo's body, thus helping to maintain the health of the buffalo skin. And giving a warning signal to the buffalo if there is a threat, such as an approaching predator. Number four, clownfish and sea anemone. The role of clownfish is clownfish help the sea anemone clean itself of food and waste, which can prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. In addition, clownfish attract other small fish which can become prey for the animal, thus helping in obtaining food. And the role of the sea anemone is sea anemone provide protection for clownfish from predators with their poisonous tentacles. Clownfish have a special layer of nucleus that makes them immune to the anemone's teeth, so they can live safely among the anemone's tentacles without being harmed. Number 5 is plants and worms. The role of plants is plants provide organic matter from fallen leaves and dead roots as a food source for its worm. In addition, plant roots also help maintain soil moisture, creating a suitable environment for worms to live and reproduce. And the role of worms is earthworms help loosen the soil by digging tunnels so that the soil becomes looser and plant roots can absorb water and nutrition more easily. In addition, worm droppings contain nutrients that function as natural fertilizers to fertilize the soil. Last but not least, there is plants and human. Role of plant is plants produce the oxygen we need to breathe, provide food, medicine, and raw material for daily needs. In addition, plants help reduce air pollution and create a cool and beautiful environment. Human role is human help plants by planting, caring for, and preserving them, helping to protect plants from pests and disease. In addition, humans release carbon dioxide through respiration, which plants need for photosynthesis. Next, we are going to learn while playing using Mutualism lab book. Here, there are true or false choices, along with several examples of relationship between two different living organisms. Now, I will place the example of the relationship between a buffalo and starling under the true category, and the relationship between a human and mosquito under the false category. Why is that? Does anyone know? Let's discuss by one. Their relationship between a buffalo and starling is considered correct because it represents a mutualism symbiosis, a relationship in which both organisms benefit. The starling gets a sort of food from the tick and parasite on the buffalo body, while the buffalo becomes cleaner and free from parasite thanks to the starling. This is a clear example of mutualism symbiosis. On the other hand, the relationship between the human and mosquito is not mutualism symbiosis because it benefits only one party while harming the other. The mosquito gets blood from the human, while the human might suffer itchy skin or even illness. This kind of relationship is not mutualism but parasitism. Are you guys understand? Okay, sounds so good, guys. Today, we will also work in groups just like we agreed previously. Let's divide into groups by counting to group. Ready? Each group can now gather with their respective member. I will hand out a student worksheet to each group. Yesterday, I asked you to bring some tools and material for this activity. Did you bring everything, guys? Okay, sounds so good. Before starting the worksheet, I would like you to read the instruction carefully so that you understand what you need to do. I will give you 5 minutes to complete the worksheet. I hope each of you works sincerely and divide the task fairly within your group. Is there anyone who needs help or finds anything difficult? Okay, as each group finishes the task, you may now submit your worksheet to me and we will discuss the result together. There is human and plant. The interaction that occurs is mutualism, where both parties benefit from each other. Plants provide food, medicine, and raw material for daily needs. They also produce oxygen, which is essential for living beings. Humans, in turn, helping by planting, caring, preserving, and protecting plants from pests and disease. In addition, humans release carbon dioxide when exhaling, which is needed by plant. Great job, everyone. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause for successfully completing today's project. Now, let's do a little ice-breaking activity to refresh our focus. Would you like to? Okay, let's begin. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it and you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Alright, now that we are refreshed, let's play a short game. I have prepared 5 questions as an evaluation activity. Did you bring the smartphone? We are agreed to use it. Please remember this. This must be done individually. Are you ready, guys? Let's begin the quiz. Number 1 is mutualism symbiosis is? You're right, guys. Number 2, which picture shows a relationship between two living things that is mutualism beneficial is? Yeah, you're right, guys. Next, number 3, pay attention to the following statement. Number 1, mutually beneficial to each other. Number 2, only beneficial to one party. Number 3, no party is harmed. Number 4, both provide benefit to each other. From the statement above, the characteristics of mutualism symbiosis are shown by number. Yes, you're right. Number 4 is below are 3 examples of mutualism symbiosis that we often encounter in everyday life, namely. Yeah, very good, guys. And the last one, the correct match between example of living thing and their roles in mutualism symbiosis is shown by the combination. Yeah, those whose name I call will work on the question under my supervision, and those who do not will continue to work on assessment in class. I think you guys understand? Great job, everyone! Another round of applause for your hard work. I hope you continue to perform well in every lesson and always do your best. Let's give ourselves another round of applause for our effort today. Before we finish, let's summarize what we have learned together. What is mutualism symbiosis? Yeah, mutualism symbiosis is where both living things benefit from the relationship. Which living things have mutualism symbiosis? Example, fish and flower, clownfish and sea animal, and human and plants. Next, what role do those living things play? Bees get nectar and flower get pollinated, clownfish get protection and sea animal get food scrap, Humans breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, while plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent, guys. It seems all of you have understood the material well. Now, let's reflect on our learning today. How do you feel after today's lesson? Do you feel good? Which activity did you enjoy the most? Playing the game? Playing a lab book? What did you find most difficult? No? Alright, in our next lesson, we will be learning about commensalism symbiosis. Please try to read about it in advance so you will be better prepared for our next discussion. I hope you all stay healthy, especially considering the rains weather, which has not been very supportive, guys. Take good care of yourself so that you can continue learning well. Before ending the lesson, let us close with a prayer to thank God for the ease and smoothness for our lesson today. Please pray according to your respective religion and belief. Let us begin. Okay, that's enough. Thank you for being such great participant in today's class. I certainly apologize if there were any mistake in my words or behavior. I will end this class here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.